Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common household problem, your toilet flushing slowly. It's not just annoying, it can lead to clogs or even water waste, but the good news is, you can fix it yourself with a few simple steps. I'm going to walk you through everything in 2025's easiest guide, so let's get started. First things first, understand why this happens. A slow flushing toilet is often caused by low water levels in the tank, a faulty flapper valve, clogged rim jets, or even a partial blockage in the trap. Don't worry. Most of these are quick fixes you can do with basic tools like a plunger, a bucket, and maybe some vinegar for cleaning. Step 1. Check the water level in the tank. Lift the lid off your toilet tank and look inside. The water should be about 1 inch below the overflow tube. If it's too low, adjust the float valve. Turn off the water supply, flush the toilet, and then bend the float arm gently until the water level is correct. Turn the water back on and test the flush. Next, inspect the flapper. That's the rubber seal at the bottom of the tank that lifts when you flush. If it's worn out or not sealing properly, it can cause slow flushing. Remove the old one by unhooking it from the chain and overflow tube, then install a new one. They cost less than $10 and are easy to find at any hardware store. Now, let's tackle clogged rim jets. These are the holes under the rim of the bowl that help with the flush. Mineral buildup is a common culprit. Use a small brush or a pipe cleaner to scrub them out, or soak a rag in vinegar and let it sit for 15 minutes before scrubbing. This should restore strong flushing. If the problem persists, there might be a partial clog in the trap or drain line. Grab a plunger and give it a few good plunges. If that doesn't work, try a plumbing snake to clear any deeper blockages. Always wear gloves and be careful not to damage the porcelain. Finally, after making these fixes, run a test flush and make sure everything's working smoothly. If you're still having issues, it might be time to call a professional plumber. Remember, maintaining your toilet regularly can prevent these problems altogether. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. See you next time.